Hey everyone, today the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is a remarkable innovation in the world of urban transportation, combining efficiency, affordability, and practicality. Known for its robust build and fuel efficiency, this three-wheeled vehicle has become an indispensable part of the daily commute in many regions, especially in South Asia. Maruti Suzuki, a brand synonymous with reliability and trust, has extended its expertise to the auto rickshaw segment, creating a vehicle that caters perfectly to both drivers and passengers. With its compact design, the auto rickshaw is highly maneuverable, making it ideal for navigating crowded city streets and narrow lanes where larger vehicles struggle. This ability to weave through traffic effortlessly not only saves time but also enhances the overall commuting experience. One of the standout features of the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is its fuel efficiency. In an era where fuel prices continue to rise, drivers need a vehicle that can cover long distances without burning a hole in their pockets. The Maruti Auto Rickshaw is engineered to deliver excellent mileage, making it a preferred choice for commercial drivers who rely on daily earnings. Its slow operational costs and easy maintenance further add to its appeal. Spare parts are widely available, and servicing is relatively inexpensive, ensuring minimal downtime for drivers. This reliability has made it a staple in cities and towns where auto rickshaws are a primary mode of transportation. The design of the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw also prioritizes passenger comfort. The seating arrangement is ergonomically designed to accommodate passengers comfortably, even during longer rides. The vehicle's suspension system ensures a smoother ride on uneven or pothole-riddled roads, which are common in many developing urban areas. Additionally, its sturdy build ensures safety, a crucial factor given the unpredictable nature of urban traffic. Passengers also appreciate the spacious cabin, adequate legroom, and well-ventilated interiors, which enhance the overall travel experience. For drivers, the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw offers an ergonomic cockpit with intuitive controls, ensuring ease of operation even during extended driving hours. The driver's seat is adjustable, and the instrument panel provides essential information, including fuel levels, speed, and engine diagnostics, all at a glance. This thoughtful design minimizes driver fatigue, allowing operators to focus on their job efficiently. Furthermore, the auto rickshaw comes with an efficient braking system and stable handling, adding an extra layer of safety for both drivers and passengers. In terms of environmental responsibility, Suzuki Maruti has also been mindful of producing cleaner and greener vehicles. Many models are now available with CNG, compressed natural gas, or LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, variants, significantly reducing harmful emissions compared to traditional petrol or diesel engines. This eco-friendly approach is not only better for the planet but also helps drivers save on fuel costs in regions where CNG or LPG is readily available. Governments and local authorities are increasingly encouraging the use of such cleaner fuel alternatives, positioning the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw as a sustainable choice for public transportation. The Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is not just a vehicle but a lifeline for thousands of drivers and millions of passengers who depend on it every day. It has carved a niche for itself in the commercial transport sector by offering a balance of performance, affordability, and durability. For entrepreneurs and fleet owners, investing in these auto rickshaws offers an excellent return on investment, given their low maintenance costs and consistent performance. With the growing demand for efficient last-mile connectivity solutions, the Suzuki Maruti Auto Rickshaw is set to remain a vital part of urban mobility. As cities continue to grow and traffic challenges intensify, these three-wheelers will undoubtedly play a key role in shaping the future of sustainable urban transport.